What a crazy week, or just I mean weekend, week, whatever, end of week, beginning of weekend. Um, you get I did want to record this, but for some reason I didn't. But like, all night tonight, or I mean all night last night. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm sorry for being stupid. Um, it was storming quite a lot. Constant thunder. Here I go on. Sorry, there's people out there. Some kids, some kids were on their bikes and they passed by. So like I said, it was storming all night last night. Constant thunder, constant lightning. Lightning is very bright. There's no pause between thunder. Well, it got to a certain point where it just kept on thundering and thundering. Like the thunder didn't. It just never disappeared. There's literally no pause whatsoever. That's how bad it was. And the lightning, the you can. Oh my God, these kids are everywhere. They're riding around random people's yards and other places. So yeah, bright lightning, very bright lightning, and the thunder was so loud. You can definitely tell that the lightning strikes were getting closer and closer to my area. They are very close because the thunder kept on getting louder and louder. Eventually, they all sounded like explosions, like gigantic, loud explosions. And yeah, the thunder. Every time it'll thunder, wouldn't just go away that fast. It actually lasted quite a long time. And even when it ended, another boom of thunder came. So yeah, there's literally no pause whatsoever. You couldn't hear just a little bit of rain and some silence. There's always thunder. There's always thunder. That's all you could hear. It was something. You know, I kind of started fearing that we might get a tornado warning in the middle of the night while I'm asleep. And if you guys don't know, I don't like getting woken up by silence. It's scary. It just makes me jump out of my bed. I don't know why. It's just so weird. I would rather, I would rather be awake where there's noises and all that crap, and instead of just being in the dark with some rain, a lot of thunder, and then all of a sudden, my throat hurts now. Trying to do that low voice sucks. Eventually I walked out of my room and started to sleep in the living room because there's a fan on, so the thunder, that wasn't much of a problem, and the lightning wasn't much of a problem either since there's lights on in the kitchen. So yeah, that illuminated the living room, and so I got on my phone multiple times throughout the night. In the middle of the night, checked the weather, and um, I pulled up the weather app, and it said that we had a special weather thing. I forgot. It was crazy. I never seen something like that before. I expected like severe thunderstorm where the screen just goes all red and stuff, but it was normal with that special weather report thing. So I checked it out and said that there's going to be hail, very very strong wind, heavy rain, lots of thunder and lightning, all that stuff. So yeah, I don't know if we had hail or not. There's no evidence, and yeah, I guess we were lucky. But when I seen that, I was just like, this was like this could be tornado weather. Like literally, it sounded like it could produce a tornado. It sounded like a very strong, severe thunderstorm. Like seriously, it was something, and it's supposed to rain again at 3 and 4. It's going to storm again. So yeah, it's cold right now. I could hear thunder earlier. It was scaring my dog. So yeah, I bet my dog broke into my room and pissed on my blanket because it was wet. on the ground when I got out of bed. I don't know. It was weird. But my blanket was wet, or at least one of them. It was on the floor. It wasn't my bed, thank God. That would have been horrible. But yeah, something happened. I bet that kid's coming around again. I'm going to go. Probably going to come back when it starts raining. If it starts raining, I don't know. So yeah, let's just hope that it at least rains again. You know, I think that would be cool. It's cold as hell out here right now, though. I don't think the rain's going to help. I'm back. That's the reason why I came out here. No, Penelope, get away from the road. Come on. Yeah, I have my dog out here with me. It's not a good idea because she's scared of thunder, but she didn't want to be locked inside while I'm out here. She would bark at me. The thunder's getting louder. Earlier it was quiet, but now it's very loud. So yeah, it hasn't really scared my dog all that much. At the moment, she is kind of scared, but earlier she wasn't. No, Penelope, come here. You want to go on a car ride? You want to go on a car ride? That tricks her. Come on, come on. Haha, I tricked you. Oh, spoke too soon. Oh, I thought I heard thunder. Oh, that was thunder. Alright. Penelope, you really did fight me to come out here. Why are you so scared? You wanted out here, you know. So yeah, I checked the weather radar and nothing bad's happened. Oh my God, Penelope. Hold on. Stupid. I took care of the dog. Now she's inside. Oh, I got a free stick. Oh, useless. So yeah, storm's on its way. Only got a few minutes until it comes here. It's going to come at 3, and it's like at 2:45. So about 15 minutes, you know. So there's that. See y'all later. Well, actually, no, what am I doing? That's not the end of the video yet. I'm going to come back here when it actually rains. Well, it's finally raining. Thunder kept on getting louder and louder. Does this even rain? Oh, yeah, it's rain. I just, when I looked at it, I thought it was something else. I thought it could have been like very small hail or something like that. I don't know. It's kind of like freezing rain. That's why I thought it might have been. But no, it's not winter. So yeah, this is kind of sprinkling. That's all it is. It's nothing really. Oh, it's getting heavier. It's getting heavier. Look at my dad's car. You see that? See where all those small little raindrops hit it? And then you see where the big guys hit it. Look at this little dude. Get that off my garage. Oh crap, it's hail. It's hail. Oh crap, it's hail. I think this is not hail. Okay, never mind. It's not hail. I got myself wet for no reason. Look at this. See how big this can you see it? Oh, it's coming down now. It's pouring now. It just stopped. Would you look at that? No, it's short. What the? What was that noise? It's like somebody crushing up a soda can. No way. Is that actually hail? I could have sworn I seen hail. That was something. I seen it hit my dad's car and also hit the concrete and rolled a little bit. Well, it looks like it stopped. I'm going back inside. It's cold. Thunder got louder again. This time it shook the whole house. Well, you know, this is kind of disappointing, to be honest. The storm, it just... Well, there's that. This storm's been very disappointing. I was hoping for a big downpour like last night, but I guess not. You know, it's not even sprinkling anymore. Oh, lightning. No thunder? Oh. That was very delayed. Finally, it's picking up now. No, I'm making myself a grilled cheese sandwich. You know, Dad, you could have put that up. There's nothing to cover the top with, so it's probably all wet inside. It's been out there for quite some time. Yep, it has most definitely picked up now. Take a look at this. Finally, it's no longer disappointing. A lightning bolt struck down somewhere around the neighborhood, I'm pretty sure, or one of the surrounding areas, and it was pretty loud. The thunder was very loud. Sounded like an explosion. Whoa. Holy crap, that was loud. That was loud. There's a gigantic lightning bolt down here. It was struck right down there. Oh, if you're wondering, there's no warnings. I mean, there's no warnings or watches or... What am I doing? There's nothing bad going on. All we have is a flood advisory now, I guess. I'm pretty sure. Nothing bad, you know. Oh, more lightning. This one's gonna be loud. It's so delayed. Wow. It's weird how sound works. Oh, I'm getting wet. Missed it. That one's going to be a loud one too. Alright. The rain has stopped. Actually, matter of fact, the entire storm is gone. And now we're left with this very eerie green sky. It's not showing up on camera, even when I dim it. But it's green as hell out here right now. So yeah, the storm is done. It's not going to storm or rain anymore, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, we're just left with this green sky that I seemingly can't catch on camera. I don't have a good enough camera, I guess. That sucks because it looks so awesome out here, you know. Well, yeah, usually when you see this, something bad's going to happen. Every time I would see this back in the day, something bad storm related would happen, like a tornado watch, a warning, a severe thunderstorm, something like that. So yeah, still makes me a little uneasy because of all that, you know. So yeah, green skies, huh?